Yo, this wind is disrespectful outside. Oh my lord. Hope y'all got y'all wigs buckled down today, cause shoot, this wind ain't playing. Hello y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Danielle. Today I'm gonna do a quick little, I don't know, just gonna see what I feel like today. I'm gonna play with the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place. And I'm gonna play with my ColourPop Element of Surprise palette. I have some places to go, so I'm gonna put something together. Let's see what I come up with. And I'm using ColourPop's Brow Boss pencil in the color dark brown. And I got a mirror over here. I don't know if y'all can see that, but that's what I'm looking at. Brush these brows out. I need my brows done. I haven't been in about 2 weeks, so we're gonna see what this turned out like. Okay, next I'm gonna set my brows with Elf's Clear Brow Gel. Can y'all hear that wind? It's windy as hell outside. Use some NYX HD Studio Concealer on my eyelids. This one's in the color CW06. Got a little too light. This was the darkest shade they had at Target when I went, so I just went ahead and grabbed this. I was like, just going on my eyelids anyways. And also, I ordered this stiletto sponge from Morphe, so I'm going to give that a try today too. Wanted the velvet sponge from MYOB Cosmetics, but it's been sold out for like months. And trust me, I've been stalking y'all MYOB Cosmetics. I've been looking on your site every day, on your Instagram page every day, waiting for that sponge to come back in stock, and it hasn't. It's been like, I know it's been like 6 months since it's been out of stock. Let's see what it does. This concealer gets pretty matte too, so that's what I like about it. You don't have to set it with powder on your eyelids. Well, there you have it. It's blended out. So, I guess this sponge was okay. It was a little flimsy on the tip. Pause. It's a little flimsy on the tip though. I'm going to use my ColourPop No Filter Concealer. This is in the shade Tan 50. And I'm just going to clean up under my brows. I'm going to use the Element of Surprise first. I'm going to use this color, which is Details. I'm going to use MAC's Brown Script just to warm it up just a little bit on the outer V. Want a little more, so I'm going to go in with the Zulu by Juvia's palette. I'm going to use this color right here. And I'm going to use the color Go With the Flow. My MAC Cosmetics Midnight Tryst. Just add a teensy weensy bit of depth. Wet n Wild Mega Liner. put on this good old mascara. Okay, I'm back. I got my lashes on. I got my foundation on. Next, I'm going to go in with my stiletto sponge. I had to think about the name of it. And I'm using MAC Prolongwear NC45 concealer. And let's see how this does with the application of that under the eyes. The end is too flimsy, you know. I'm just gonna switch this out with my beauty blender and blend in the rest. Go ahead and set my under eye. And just gonna, oh wait, I forgot to do my contour. Okay, next I'm gonna go in with my MAC Prolongwear powder. And next I'm gonna take my CoverGirl Queen Collection Ebony Bronzer. Next I'm gonna take MAC Raizin Blush. I'm gonna take Mahogany. Let's see if this works. Let's see. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, mirror. It's a liquid lipstick, but it's not a matte liquid lipstick. Now, the only thing with these palette lipsticks, they'll tell on you like, ooh, your teeth ain't bright and white. See, the darker lipsticks make your teeth look bright and white. This is starting to tell on me. Like, leave that coffee alone, girl. Staining your teeth. I like it, though. I like it. What y'all think? I like it. 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 I want to keep it matte. All the way matte. Matte eyes, matte face. I think I'm going to keep it like that. I'm going to do my hair, and I'll be right back to give you my final thoughts on the Zulu palette by Juvia's. And about that sponge, which y'all already know how I feel about it. Okay, so here is the final look. I add a little bit more Mahogany lip liner to the corners, and I think I like it better like that. So let's talk the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place. I think it is a great buy. As you saw, the eyeshadow pans are really big. I feel like you get a good amount of product. I need to play around with it a little more. This was like my second time using it. The first time I used it was about a week ago. I posted a picture on my Instagram page. You go on there, it's at I'ma Beat You. But anywho, and I'll tag that down below. But if you go up there and look at my post, it's like it's only on one eye because I was being lazy that night and only did half of my face. And you could see where I used the yellow, the orange, and the pink, I believe. And And then the blue eyeshadow I placed on my waterline, kind of playing around with it. That was my first time kind of creating something with it. You know, I've swatched them and that was it. But I feel like it's a great product. I want to get my hands with it and play with it a little more, but it has really good color payoff from what I've noticed, so it's a good buy. I've always heard people talk about Juvia's Place palette, so yeah, I mean, the masses speaks for itself. You know, everyone raves about it, so if you can get one, try to get one. I got mine, they had a sale going on when I got mine, so a lot of times you can catch them having a sale or some type of code if you follow their page. So follow their page and kind of be on the lookout for that. I want to get my hands on that festival palette, but it keeps on getting sold out, and at the time when I got the Zulu palette, the festival palette was sold out, so I got the Zulu palette instead. Next, let's talk about this stiletto sponge from Morphe. So it was just $7, but it let me down. It let me down. I mean, it's pretty flimsy. It didn't do a good job. You know, I thought it was going to be bigger than this, first of all, but as you can see, it's pretty small. But yeah, I wouldn't spend my money on it just because, and maybe I'm just being biased because I had such high expectations, because I was thinking it was going to be like the velvet sponge that Elcie Cosmetics have because of the shape, which that one has gotten excellent reviews on. But I don't know, it just didn't work for me. I tried to give it a fair shot, you know, used it on my eyes to blend out the concealer on my eyes. It wasn't that good with that. I tried to use it under the eye to blend my concealer. It wasn't good with that as well. So yeah, just it's a no for me, dog. But anyway, I just want to thank you for checking out my channel, watching this video. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.